excited si Jasa.
Ma'am, on the way, ma'am.
Let us see.
Ma'am, on the way.
You wanna
Ma'am, on the way.
Which one? Ah,
No,
this one.
down.
Oh, can you see?
Down.
For baby. Look, for little girl.
On the way. On the way. On the way.
You want
On
this
the
one?
way.
Can you, ano ba? Show me ba?
On the way. On the way.
Show me that. Come on.
D.
And then this one. How about this one?
Down.
Done. Wow, ganda.
On the pay. On the
dream.
pay.
Oh, look.
On the pay. On the pay.
This is for little girl.
On the way. On the way. On the way. On the way.
Where?
A baby.
You
Ma'am, baby. Only baby.
Yeah, very good. Only for baby. She understands now.
On the way.
Yeah.
Do it.
Gusto niyo daw gamitin. Pero sabi niya, only for baby pala.
Adata.
Oo, for Jasa is not
Baby,
fit.
ma'am. Baby,
Only for baby. Very good.
On baby.
Na
Ate.
Ate, di ba for baby only? Ano ten? Too small. Ano ten?
Data. No data.
No Jasa.
Ma'am, no, baby.
Only for baby.
On baby. On the way. On the ma'am. On the way. Baby. Ma'am, on baby. Baby, ma'am, baby. Only, ma'am. Only baby. Only baby. Data. A B.
Ubig na daw siya. Galing naman siya sa talaga. Come on. So goodbye natin. Goodbye. You have to say goodbye. Marunong na siya mag-goodbye.
No,
this is nice. Oh, look. This is for, look, still baby, oh. Oh, too small. Oh, for the baby pa tong mga things na to.
On the pay.
This one, ano, pillow.
On the pay.
Where do you use that? When you go?
On the pay.
Ride on? When you ride on the plane daw, gagamit daw si Jasa niyan. Pillow.
On the pay, ma'am. On the pay, ma'am. On the pay. On the pay. On the pay.
On your birthday,
No, pay, ma'am. Pay. No, one pay.
Babayaran na natin yan?
Yes.
Sige. On your birthday, babili kami yan 2 pillows. For Jasa and for Kuya Levi.
On the pay.
Yes, what do you call that? Travel pillow.
No, pay, one pay. Pay, one pay, one pay.
Sabi ni Ate Gard, very good ka na daw.
No, pay.
Dati.
Where pay?
Sa cashier, saan daw siya magbayad? Over there, cashier. On her birthday, we're gonna buy. Okay pa? Yes, 2 pillows. O, sige, put back na. Arrange properly, ha? Properly. Wow, very good na talaga. Shopping window shopping kami.
Pop.
Etong mga pop na to, alam nyo guys, sa birthday ni Jasa, bibilhin ko yung dami-dami niya. Nakita niyo po yan. Lahat sa bibilhin ni Jasa, I'm gonna buy all of it that, no?
No, pay on the pay.
Yeah, this one,
Pay on the
Frutella.
On the pay.
Yeah, that's Frutella. Look for daddy now.
Pay on the pay. Pop. No, ate.
Bibili si Jasa sa birthday na bibili yan. On Jasa's birthday, gonna buy many pops. Let's go look for that now. Because, we're going to watch movie na. I get, na tayo, tickets. Jasa's going to, come on, walk. Ito na may mga favorite, ni Jasa, mga, nasa na yun, yan, mga ganyan.
No, ate pay.
Ayan, trolley.
No, ate pay.
On Jasa's birthday, we're gonna buy, tomorrow, we can buy also, tomorrow. Bye-bye, te! Say hello pa. Say hello naman. Wave lang, wave. Ayaw yan. Okay, never mind. Next time na lang, pag good mood na si Jasa. Ito na yung galing kami dito. Si Jasa dyan. Kasi akala niya sa darating si Santa Claus na kaya waiting pa din si Jasa dito. Nag-wait pa rin siya. Ay, stop doing that, baba. Where's Dad? Ay, hindi ko nakita si Daddy.
One pay.